you guys should be familiar with. We're going to talk about it more in this chapter, but you do have a binomial product. So the easiest way to expand this out is to FOIL it. So let's go through that process. When we take the product of our first terms, we have two exponents with the same base, so we're going to do what with their powers? We add those powers, so 1/2 plus 1/3. Then we go to our outer product, x to the 1/2 minus y to the 1/2, so we get negative x to the 1/2, y to the 1/2. You can just leave it in this form. Work through our inner products, so plus x to the 1/3, y to the 1/3, and then go to our last product, and that is negative. We have our common basis, so we add their powers, y to the 1/3 plus 1/2. So here is the simplified form. We just combine our fractions here. Once again, finding LCD between 2 and 3 is a 6. So 1/2 is 3/6. 1/3 is 2/6. So we get a total of x to the 5/6. And here, I'll go through some alternate forms of these two middle products, but you can just leave them individually here. And then this last product, do the same thing, combine them, 2/6 and 3/6, gives you a total of 5/6. So here's probably the way that I entered it online. And now the alternate forms that would be fine, you'd get points for them if this was on a quiz or a test, is because these two bases are under the same or have the same power applied, we could have stated these as the product xy to the 1/2 and 1/3 respectively. And so this would be an acceptable form of the answer. And then if you had put your answer in radical form, you're looking at the 6th root of x to the 5th minus square root of xy plus cube root of xy minus the 6th root of y to the 5th. Okay, so even in this would be an acceptable form. Usually you're going to write your answer in the same form that the problem was written in. So the problem was written as rational powers, so you'll probably write your answer as rational powers.